Did it start?
Go ahead.
This is a paper airplane. It's called the Dart. It has a flat tip, unlike the other ones. And of course, it's that shape. Okay. This is how good it is. It does that.
Okay.
That was the Dart. This is the arrow. Pretty much everybody who makes paper airplanes knows this one because like the normal one. Now let me show you how it works. Like that. Okay, let me try that again. That's just a bad throw. Okay. Let me try that one again. Whoa! Oh. Okay. And last but not least, Delta. This was a fail, but like look, this is not right, and it doesn't supposed to be like that. That just looks like a wonderful slide, but miniature. But it's not a slide, it's Delta. The fail. Okay, let me show you. Yeah, the Dart is the best one. This one, Dart, is the best. Whee!